Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. You are welcome. So, out of popular demand, I decided to drop this video. Okay, a lot of people have been asking what can they use for infection. Okay, so I am dropping this video here so that you can make use of it. So what we have here is garlic. I have garlic. So what I have here exactly is 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotics. Okay, so it's very nice, it's good, it's what nature has provided for us as natural antibiotics. Okay, so the next thing I have here is little ginger, just half ginger. Okay, this is what I have here, half ginger, just little like this. You can decide to peel it or not to peel it, there's no problem about that, but make sure you wash it thoroughly. Okay, ginger is anti-inflammatory, it's very good for pain as well. Okay, so add little of this to what we have here. Then the next thing is cloves. Okay, I have cloves here, so it's 3 cloves, 1 2 3, yeah, 3 cloves. That's what I have here. Cloves naturally is antiseptic. Okay, cloves is antiseptic, so combination of these three can actually fight infection naturally. Okay, when you combine these three things, it can actually fight infection naturally. So that is talking about normal infection, is like toilet infection and all that. Okay, so what we are going to do is to put everything we have here into a blender. Okay, we put everything we have here into a blender. So we are going to blend it with half a glass of water. Okay, half a glass of water. Okay, so let's go. Welcome back guys, you're welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Okay, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, to my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you guys. Thank you for following this channel. Thank you very much. Okay, we are done blending. So what we need to do now is to sieve it. Okay, so let's sieve it. Let's sieve so that we can be able to drink it. Okay, all right, so this is it. All right, yeah, okay, so this is it, it's ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.